Right guys, it's your boy Adam and I'm back with a new one today, and as you can see from the title below, well, I do have a mystery box today, a £1,000 mystery box, and hopefully this is worth more than 1,000.
Who else?
I did get this mystery box from True Kicks on Instagram. That's where I get all my trainers for resale as well, or just anything limited really. They're legit, so just check them. Their Instagram is up right now. Here is the mystery box I'm on about. So far I paid £1,000 for it. I do hope it's worth more than 1,000. Even £1,000.50 I feel like I won. So the whole reason of getting this is because I just wanted to make a video, and also I wanted to do some shopping as well. So I felt like this was the best way. It took me quite a while to get to this point, but I'm glad I'm here now, so I guess let's just head on into the video and just see what this has in store for us. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this, and this has to be the craziest one take ever. I'm kind of scared, but let's just head on into all of this. Cool, I'm gonna open it up now, and I don't know if you can see anything, but obviously I can't because my camera, well, this one doesn't have a viewfinder, so is that right, a viewfinder? Anyways, I don't have the little screen where I can see myself because this is a Sony camera. Right, I'm just gonna open this, and I don't know if you can see whatever you can see, then I guess you can. I'm just gonna put my hands in, and okay, I feel something, and I just flopped. Something else dropped. Well, yeah, I guess I have two things to open right now. I got Off-White mask, which is something that I actually want, because I don't know, I just feel like I'll take a lot more pictures with this and just putting this on, because I don't know, I'm quite shy for some reason. Oh snap, this, right, this is crazy. How much is this? So this is £75, it says on the bag, so that's £75. So we got quite a bit to go. I'm gonna do a calculation now of how much we got to go, but yeah. Right, so you most likely can't hear me, but this is the Off-White mask. I keep flopping, but yeah, this is quite sick, and I am happy with this. Not even gonna cap. Yeah, I'm gonna take a lot of pictures in this. Just watch out for my Instagram as well, at adambiguous on Instagram, just same way the channel is spelled. Moving on to the next thing swiftly, it's some Palm Angel socks. I don't know, this, I'm not too sure if this is current season or old season, but I did see this in the old collection, but it might still be in fashion. Palm Angel socks, £45. Let's do that calculation quickly. 45 plus 75, that's 120 minus 1,000. So there's 880 remaining. So let's just see the tab. Let's just see if we can get something crazier. Right, I can't see what this is, but if I was to guess from what I can see because of the shadows or whatever, it's a Palm Angel t-shirt. How much is this? Well, there's no price in this, and I don't know, man. If I was to guess, I would say this is 100 to 140, 120 pounds. I'm gonna check, and I'm gonna put that on screen, or like when I find out the price. But how much do you think this is? $2. Oh, swear. All right, so apparently this is £200, so that means that leaves us with 680 left from £1,000. Let's just see, what's this? Feels like another sock. I got Alright, so I got 2 times Palm Angel socks, so I guess this is gonna be the next giveaway. I'll let you know at the end of the video, just keep watching. So this is another £45, so what was we left at? Was left at 680. Yeah, 680 minus 45. There we go, 635. Not too sure if you can see this, but there we go. Okay. I could throw a shoebox, but I guess we're gonna get onto that last. What do we have here? Woo! Some Off-White t-shirt. God damn, this is crazy, man. Nah, this is too nuts. I'm guessing, alright, it says Off-White 2019 spring summer. So I guess it's in fashion right now actually, because it is summer. Well, this is a crazy t-shirt. Like, this is a just nice graphic tee from Off-White, you know, Virgil. Shout out to Virgil on this crazy work all the time. I can't see a tag here, so I don't know if this is, I think everything is brand new. He did say, if I was to go off of how I know Off-White, I would say this is, say, £300, or, I don't know, 300, 250 pounds. I would make sure, and then for now, let's just say £250. Can you check for me? How much do you think it is? 245. Oh yeah, so I was right. I was basically right. So minus 245 now. We was at 635 if you remember. 390. So we have 390 left, and hopefully we can actually meet that target and even go over it. Let's see. Oh no, this is too crazy. So basically right now I've got 3 t-shirts, 2 socks, and 1 Off-White mask. This is what I'm talking about. This is the type of things I like. This is a nice fit, it looks like anyways. PONR, and then it's got a lot of dates at the back. I'm not too keen on Bape, so I don't know what this is, but knowing Bape, because I bought 1 Bape t-shirt, I would say this is 180, 190, something like that. So let's just put it on the, oh, that went in my donut. Let's just put that on the low side, minus 180, let's just say. So we're left with 210, and sorry, I need to take a break. This has turned to an ASMR video. Well, I'm just gonna put this like this so I can. Is this Louis? Oh yeah, so I can feel something, and I do know about Louis Vuitton, and I'm not too sure. Is this Louis Vuitton? Yeah, it is. I just saw it. Oh my days. Oh, this year is killing me. Oh my god. I'm definitely doing a part 2 of this, maybe 1,500. Hopefully my friends can support me anyways. But yeah, alright. I'm gonna do some craziness and let you lot see first before I do. What is this? This is one item from Louis Vuitton. Oh, sorry you lot, man. Sorry. I'm guessing it's a scarf because I can't feel no, like, I don't know, nothing strong or no rubber or nothing. So yes, I was right, as a scarf, and from knowing the Louis scarves, I would say this is around 150, 120. Yeah, let's say, I don't know, let's say, okay, cool, put it on the low side again. Let's meet it halfway, 130. Minus 130. We're at 80 pounds, guys. Definitely that can't be like a pair of white Air Forces. That's 80 pounds. I hope it's something more than that, but hey man, I got a Louis scarf. It's crazy. And I got hair as well. I just got my dreads done again, so this is gonna work. But I can't wear this on a normal day, but I am gonna wear it when I go out to a concert or whatever. But yeah, I do have a Louis scarf here, and we're left at 80 pounds, so hopefully there's something other than the shoe here. Oh, that's it guys. But I guess, please tell me this ain't a pair of Air Forces. What shoe can you see here? Because we're left at 80 pounds, guys. Tell me man in the comments before I even open this, like, have we gone over 1,000 pounds from what you can see? Just from what you can see. Obviously you haven't seen what's in it, and maybe the box might give it away. I don't know what box it is, but right, anyways, I'm talking too much now. Let's just get on into this. Jordan 1s. Right. What's this? The crimson tints. Oh yeah. You see, I made a video to do a trainer in time, and this is actually, well, apart from a pair of white Air Forces, this is the only trainer I've bought since I've been off of YouTube. I don't know how much they go for, but obviously retail, if we were to say retail, that's say 130, 120. Where's my phone? Yeah, so retail, let's just say we was at 80 pounds. Retail already is what's retail? 120, isn't it? 130. 130. That's 130. So we're already 50 pounds over, you can see. So like I said, if I even get 1,050 pounds, I feel like I won. But let's see how much it is. Resale on StockX. I'm gonna check that right now. It's a size 8, a UK 8. So I'm gonna check right now. It's saying 130. Oh, actually, no, that's so crazy. So it does say 161 for the US size 9, which is a size 8 UK. So it says the last sale was 157. So with that being said, I guess we was like, what, £77 up. Shout out to True Kicks again, because they came crazy clutch on this. Really and truly, I feel like because I got both of these, I would think I should give one away. I might give it away to my little brother, or if you don't want this as well, just let me know, and in the next video I'll just announce if I'm doing a giveaway of these. And I'm hoping you lot are enjoying the content I've been bringing out. Well, this is the second one since I've been back, but I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, please let me know with a like. And also, if you're new and you just came across me for any reason, just subscribe and just chill with your boy, because I'm just getting back in the groove of things, and also it's just gonna get littier, like I always say. And hopefully you think it does get littier. And shout out to everyone now, shout out to my boy. Man, you are my boy now. You know who you are. You DM me on Instagram, and also you told me about SneakerCon, so yeah, shout out to you, man. That's real love there. But if you did enjoy this video, like I said, leave a like and just comment wherever you feel. If you don't like something about this, just let me know so I can improve, because as you can see, I'm quite small. And just shout out to you lot, man, for, you know, rocking with me. Yeah, I guess that's about it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.